Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add a vertical line on TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to TradingView, and to add a vertical line, go to this icon here, the trend line icon. Click on this arrow here and look for vertical line, this one. Click on it and choose the place where you want to add your vertical line. So let's say, for example, here. As you can see, we have this vertical line. If you want to change its color, click on this pen and you can change it to any color you want. As you can see, we change it to red. If you want to add text to it, click on it here on add text and you can type anything. For example, add text. Okay, you can change that color to anything you want and you can change the width of the vertical line, as you can see, the thickness. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.